Hey guys, Aaron Williams here with MarineMax Jupiter. Today we are going to do a walkthrough video on a 2026 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This is a do-it-all boat. You can overnight on it, you can seriously fish it, and you can cruise it to the sandbar. So I'll show you a couple of quick features on this boat here. It is equipped with twin Mercury 400 horsepower V10 engines. Right now, they're currently in the skyhook mode. We are sitting right in front of the Jupiter Lighthouse. That feature will keep us right here for as long as we want. So those engines are going to keep working in the background while we're walking through the boat here. The 325 Conquest has a fantastic fishing platform. Has a really big cockpit back here with a large tuna door on the side here. It does have a very large ladder that's going to be stowed away underneath our seat here. So when we're ready to go fishing, we'll pop our seats down, and then now we've got nice big bolsters. We've got a great area to use and work around, and a nice big live well right here on the transom, so we can take care of all of our fishing needs. Two in-floor fish boxes on either side of our bilge access. This boat is equipped with a generator system and a full AC and reverse heat system too. So on those days where it's a little bit more chilly or it's really hot, you can still use the boat and use it for the full day. So kind of as we make our way forward here, we do have a pull-out grill. So once you're done fishing, you go to the sandbar, you've got a great platform to cook your catch and really extend your day out on the water. If you guys are overnighting on the boat, it's a great place to make dinner, breakfast, lunch, and we'll kind of cruise on inside here. We do have a nice little additional summer kitchen area here. Freshwater sink, small little cutting board here on the back. So we do have a dedicated storage area for our trash can, and we do have a refrigerator here. Like I said, this boat is equipped with a full generator system, so we do have our 120 outlets right here, so you can plug in a blender or cell phone charger or anything that you guys might be bringing on board with you. And this whole area inside of here is air conditioned and heated. One thing I did want to mention is this boat is equipped with the optional sunshade. So from inside the helm here, you can hit a button and this entire sunshade comes out automatically and covers up your entire area back here. So again, really just kind of maximizing the space, utilizing all the creature comforts here. And when you're watching your lines, we have reversible seating. So both rows are reversible. And we do have a nice little table stowed away under here. This table does pop up, giving you a nice area to enjoy everything that you're grilling on the back. So we'll come over here to our helm station. This really does give the captain the best area to control the boat. And for an all-day trip, it's a really comfortable area to be. So we got two massive Simrad screens, all of our hard push buttons, our AC vents here, so keeping the captain nice and comfortable. And we have our Mercury controls here with our joystick just to the right. So very comfortable spot. You don't ever have to leave the chair. Everything's within a hand's reach. So we will step inside the cabin here and I'll show you down below what really makes this boat a true do-it-all and weekender boat. Alrighty guys, welcome to the cabin space on the 325 Conquest. As you see, we have a great U-shaped seating lounge right here. So good place to get out of the elements after a long day, sit around a table. We do have a TV mounted to the wall over here with built-in speakers, courtesy lighting everywhere. So really nice place if you want to play a card game or just relax after a long day. Our center table here does go down and there's a pillow cushion that goes in the middle. So this does become an up bed for two people to sleep. So on a 32-foot boat, having the cabin space that this does is very versatile. And we do have some nice storage. And then our electrical panel right behind here, outlets and cell phone cord plugins. And then we do have a freshwater sink, microwave, and a cooktop stove there with a refrigerator. So definitely enough amenities to spend a whole weekend on the boat. And I'll show you the aft berth next. All right, so back here we do have a secondary sleeping area. Again, big enough for 2 people. So you slide inside of here. You do have your very own air conditioning vent down here as well, so keep it nice and comfortable. And privacy curtains here, so you can separate this area, sleep 2 couples or a family of 4. And just utilizing every space possible. Down here in this bottom step, we do have a built-in trash can or just another storage area, but really utilizing all the space on this boat possible. And then we also have a nice sized head right here. It is a wet head, so you do have a freshwater shower that you can pull off and mount. So you can get cleaned up, get ready for dinner, and get ready for your evening, or just get cleaned up from a weekend of fishing. So I'm gonna take you guys up to the bow area next and show you the nice lounge area that we have there. All right, guys, welcome to the bow of the 325 Conquest. Again, just maximizing every spot on this boat. Up here, we do have a nice large sun pad for when you wanna come up here and lounge as you're anchored out. We do have our windlass anchoring system with windlass controls right up here. And then it does give us a really great look at what's on top of this boat here. So we have equipped this boat with a 48-inch open array radar by Simrad that does have your bird finding mode. We do have a spotlight and a pair of taco outriggers. So really maximizing every spot on this boat, again, making it a great fishing boat, a great weekender boat. So really just kind of an all-around do-it-all boat. That was just a quick walkthrough of the 325 Conquest and some of my favorite features and things that I like about this boat here. If you guys like this boat and you want to see it in person, or you want to see some other boats that are similar, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron.